All right, any bre sempa anya fedi agro and any braba. And you may be enkoye ese ka. No may be enkoye kra. Nipa bi di agro, omu di agro. See it me kan okra kire omo. Asante Kotoko abo had to folk resource nenye. Gamen fifiri kra teme den the resource nenye. Enye nya. I said no maybe diagro. Now have to folk at president cap no. Must I get 3 points as I can. I mean no say say. Well, one go from Credu Yadom. Has to folk at champion. Ye be why in semnenia can crash any pebby. And your ben soon I see a cano cray body near cano cray body near cano cratchel. You found wada. 7 things I observe from the game. I just say, for and yet, no say nipa be brabo to a first time no so. Me say my bottle pa. I mean fancy will be any say baby I'm more than that. What I say. Have to folk 1 by 1 go to 0. Go from Kunedu Yadon. First thing I observe from this game is that hard to folk team, they are deadly when they are in crisis. First thing. And moving on, Asante Kotoko should be very, very careful and should never underestimate hard to folk when we think they are in crisis. Until the bones are rotten, because they see Friday, hard to folk supporters, Pamu coach at their free training grounds. Olympus Asha has to folk Wednesday. Ama ehwaye deja aye butu no. Omama what we call response and we all felt that Cheke has current performance. Now we shall Asante Kotoko ahead of her to folk. We share materials and any idea. But Oma say ye poem Oma say. And once again, a lesson that we should learn is that how to folk ye deadly when they are in crisis. Ebra has Omopamo Costa Papich supporters, of course, secretariat, they won the league. Again, supporters Asaki come who PM Ako Pubimaya Kwako Ye Kishi Kakra. What happened again? Omabesha Kotoko. So they are very deadly when they are in crisis. Who they better to folk when they are in crisis, when they are having issues, they will get up out of nothing. Sorry. Not just or destroy Neoma. They've won. And now they are on top. Amaba enim. So let's keep that one in mind. Young fanyes young say you who say Neoma so gidi. Nessa ja to amaba you say more. Young my trimunya the enfili say ye neomo kobody ebe show because clearly when they are in crisis, a different beast altogether. I observe from this game. Now they are tossed 2. Asante Kotoko defending of set pieces. Where from a tactical point, defending of set pieces, there should be an improvement. How Asante Kotoko defend the set pieces, there should be an improvement. In the last 5 matches, I will check Kotoko your bokona, your bo free kicker, na samaba. Against Dreams FC, men can't quite chiri kran kwasheshe the SC dada. Osha Kotkone eye Tamale City or Tamala. Throw in a ben corner line no womo to sesene first na Stoke City for ball mo corner no omo to omo throw no pack na ball na to net. E throw a set a advantage set as a set piece na no matter no dey ashe throw na how we defended it was poor. What did they make an say? Koshe Kotkoni baby and go stars. Throw back corner line and near to pen SMS. Kotkoni dreams free kick a bank corner so so the arrangement of the defense, the organization of the defense, not dreams for na be piatum go. Kotokoni had to folk what do you call it? First round of the Ghana Premier Baba free kick na Kenya go. Kaleba Mankwa defender. Kotokoni Kapiogo, free kick Kenya, net deflect na ashe. Kotokoni Swatremai, enosa. Go and watch Kotokoni Swatremai. 2-1 na esho mo baba. Set piece sa pine. Not more than it. How we defend set pieces. Coach Zerbo, yes, who training grounds are arrangement, marking, positioning, who jumps, where you hear saying picking up the second ball after see a ball free kick, first one, no, it's a some improve. You need to improve. Because football are fine margins, and your man kitty be. Your free kick here by your boy, download the pier, ready out my pinship, yapon. Download the pier, ready out my pinship, yapon. Give me yapon. So it's the duty of the coach, and your management, and your ourselves, and then David Obed as to bury yourself, and you're going to both free kick, no, and you're going to dinner, I'm going to market players, no. And you're going to check a line, no, and you're not your organization, no, will be there boy into some check it. Kotoko Bechem United, Kumasi FA Cup, Isco free kick pine, go. Go and watch it. Kotoko Bechem free kick, Isco. Francis Chene, na born than it. One too many, as a yard also. Free kick bad way, throw banner ben corner line so a boy. Deja, the list goes on and on. You transfer pie and transfer, you analyze goals I could consider. You realize that free kick back throw back through a bend corner line and no pass, even corner kick in puba, not that in same baby. And your fair, we no cranny am yenim, a dear and your fair and your fair. Kotoko Bechem, ye both free kick, now a boss at Tedo Kunza, penalty at Yeti Kotoko. Bechem United say to no go and watch. Free kick, the corner was saying, ye maswa now about the Kunza, penalty, Yaje, Kofi Agbesi beating our bash go. A Dawson and Nina and Zerbo from Kadiogo Nasadi and State after Kadiogo, beating our boy in the deflecting a share, as you folk near Bombo free kick na share in Swatermano Maba Shibi, Bechem United, no bona penalty about through Banner Tamale City at two, now Pana na bash the second ball after the first one, picking up the second ball now than yourself. Coach who could training ground side, the boys, you know, you both free kickers, one in one in your way. Yes, Kotoko is also scoring from corner kicks from some of these set pieces. You are guessing the Japan is shabby. You are not Morris no shabby. But what said near the end where we shower, +1 -1. As I also know how to defend the set pieces. Until the near canon of coaching in boys now to defend set pieces. Third observation. What is Zerbo's plan for away matches? Any brabo and a young goodie. And ye be boa basso. Your type boa basso pa ben and a basso body as a basso bonny a bonnet brabasso body. What is Zerbo's plan for away matches? Because Kotoko last 5 away matches, semi check here. Karela Kotoko and Shigo. Dreams Kotoko and Shigo. Karela 1-0 defeat. Dreams FC 2-0 defeat. In Swatremai 0-0, na Kotoko ball draw and Shegu. Ediana Stars FA Cup 1-0 defeat. House of Folk 1-0 defeat. 5 matches. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away matches. Asante Kotoko Shegu. Coach O'Brien then. And Nibre one any bresem. One team about 5 away matches now win Shegu. Win Shegu go say win Shegu. Dreams 1 Shegu, Karela 1 Shegu, Inswatrema 1 Shegu, Ediana FA Cup 1 Shegu, House of Folk 1 Shegu. Go away match win team Shegu. Away match team Shegu. Into coach, obo away match back on. Now sa back na team Shegu. Uko train na then Awoyama boys no. To improve on the finishing so that the club can start scoring goals in away matches. The team is playing without a plan in away games. The attack is not vibrant. Shot on target, cry Brian's and Yabubi. 4 matches in the league, 1 in the FA Cup. 4 matches in the league. We shall go away. Kotoko winning 1 away game outside Baba Sports Stadium. Give face a number Baba and a 3-0. Apart from that, Baba matches outside Baba away. You win just 1, which is Midiama. Which is Midiama. So what is the coach's plan for away matches? Home dear fine. Jabo draw 3. You win the Yakina. But away, so you're crucial last season. Yes, you're Diana. Yes, you're Mediama. You could share wafa. Yes, your dreams. Some matches in the Kikambo Miami at Miji League, you know. This season, what is the state of our away results? Add to you are saying Tamale City draw, Bechem United lose, Ediana draw, Nsuatremai draw, Dreams lose, Karela lose, Gold Stars draw. We've been talking about referees, which is true. But so about 5 away matches now we should go. We need to start asking the coach a question. We need to start asking questions. You ain't na na ya wasem, mfa na na ya wasem ne nton chen, mfa management asem nton chen. We ya park ne so, omo born the same. Omo born the same. 5 away matches, team ni she go. Mo born the same. Mo born the same. Mo amanije. The 4th point, I observe we Kotoko players must start being aggressive. Referees fine. Coaching nyadie odiate. Players no so born the same. Players no small bonus saying, and then management address them come on. Now my share nanka a tone super good dressing now management ye mamono. Now my picture not trendy, now my brand not trendy. Makulusu. Dress them come on, my appearance solid. For we net soso, for cap ne soso. Nema chese nyoma munya do and nyoma nkwa achire ajiegu. What exactly is the players doing? Players no so mo ye den in these crucial moments. Coach nya de kura munya bibi. Dreams will lose, Kavela will lose, Ediana will lose, House will lose. Di nyina ya we. Asa. And now be our here game ni be as a Kotoko players no. As if he here. Obi o here game ni be a kan. Kotoko players ni bobo te se sikani ba bi aye panic also on bobo. O hwe ne adi amanfo bi di ball crash e bunua e turu Kotoko de so a. E bra wo hia mrantie ne nka asama so me. I'm not saying you guys are bad. You are good players. But sometimes you play too soft. You play like there's nothing at stake. You play like we are okay. A league in Nigeria and that's about 20 points be. And I just say, it matches now come the day pre-season. And there be oh yanda topo. You lose President Cup. You lose FA Cup. League, you defending champion. Dear Queen. Dear Queen. Send ye bonny. You win home back home. Near quite where I could lose. You win home. Near quite where I could draw. Yadi league. League. Players no must start doing something for the team. Let's say the coach is bad. What exactly is the players doing? A 4th point. Very, very necessary. Mr. Amu improve my passing. And then pack 2, 3. Niaje. Pass 4, but pass 4. Pass it. Ma 4. Near bomb about not 4. Pass it. 5th point, men kasi meka 7. Mama memfa de aka na crown to baby. Kuna du yadom redeem no ho. It's a 5th point. Yadom redeem no ho. Ya bona chia so twa wata. Ene wa be go. We keep clean sheet. Na na meka ma se ma chire din. Kuna du yadom redeem no ho. Aya de mo bona baso. Lenda, manfo twabon last week after Olympics and then waje MVP. Umbonabaso. The players, House of Folk players redeem more. Whether they played well, whether referees and then they've redeemed themselves. We need to start telling the Kotoko players that matches, no, they share referee, no, as a moment they must also start winning. And your referee, sometimes the referee is bad, the coach is bad. You need to play and win as players. Shebi. Last one, me man who's in Ghana football, no, it is extremely pathetic. It is extremely pathetic and worrying that has to folk Asante Kotoko attendance and worrying. And we a football association president there's someone engaging in proper research. Now finding out they in attendance, your poor come back as oko other venues sa RTU ba he ko F no website and YouTube hono na hye RTU video na on be publish no na hwe attendance o stadium. Attendance is a disaster. Has to focus on Kotoko Ghana Premier League President Cup Stadium Anyama even after CAB frigate. Some people need to start working. People need to start working. All in all, Yambo has to folk team in Abaso for picking the 3 points and picking the trophy. Last season, the J trophy, no. This season, Asante BM. Yambo Mabaso. But Kotoko Mobano, Zerbo ne Mrantiano, Momrame to Tonomayi. We are part 1. Channel Piber drop part 2. Cause a Nyoman Kuyi and Ibra Bapa. Yamen come on, no Ishramuina. Bye bye.